What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. In today's episode, we complete last week's episode and replace the rollers and get her started. So let's get to work, guys. Roller completely failed. That's nuts. Oh my gosh, I'm getting metal everywhere. Hopefully not too much metal got in the car, but... oh, still got the damage. Shalom, but it's a test. Okay, I found another one that failed. What the heck, man? But I mean, they should have lasted a little bit longer, but this one failed, man. So close to the pin. I don't know if that's done, but I'm gonna take it apart and see what's good. Straight. Alright, well, that's not supposed to be there. Got a broken ass piece. Now I'm gonna go through, make sure there's no metal shavings, clean it all up, and then move on to the installation of the new rockers. Shout out to Comp Cams. So we have a majority of the heads already cleaned out. Both sides have already been cleaned out. Took out the old ones. I went through the directions for the comp cams. Basically, pretty much just clean them up and lube them up and put them in. We got some new pedestals, or the ones that go right behind the rock arms for this one, and a couple new spark plug wires. So we'll get that cleaned up and then we'll get it installed. So let's keep going, guys. Alrighty, let's put these in there. There. Right here now, I just gotta keep turning the little, just keep turning the engine clockwise, and then we're gonna go ahead and go through each and every single one and install them slowly, one by one. So let's go. there's the first 2 in cylinder number 2. Let's repeat, we do the whole engine. Let's go. Alright, rocker arms are now in. I'm going to do a double check, torque down everything, do a double check. Make sure they're all torqued down. I also got some new spark plug wires, so I'm going to go ahead and replace some of the wires. I think it's like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 8 and like number 2. I had to replace these wires. You know, I'm just going to go through and check, double check the tolerances and, you know, see if some of them are loose, and I'll just replace them with the new ones we got from Summit Racing. Then from there, yeah, put the valve covers back on, put it all back together, and cross fingers, start it up. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that should be it. I'm gonna do a quick startup and see what's good, guys. Okay. Looks like number 8 is not firing. Come on, man. I'll change the wire again. I had to do this again. Take it all apart and see what's good. Other than that, all the vitals look good. Yeah, vital signs look good. Look at that, that's the best the AFR has been in such a long time. Yeah, it was just the rollers, man. But I had to figure out number 8. Number 8 is still not firing, so we're gonna go ahead and take it all apart again and see what's good. Quick diagnosis. I'm gonna try to switch number 4 with number 1 and see what's good. And then do this whole startup again and see if that's a suspect of number 8 not firing. Alright, I'll take that as a win. She's running. The only thing is number 8 still isn't firing or warming up. I need to still diagnose that one. Let's do another double check. Let's do a double check. Just to make sure. Anywho. Changed the spark plug wire, changed the coil pack. I switched them. It's still firing on 1, so that means it's not the problem for number 8. But you know what? She's running healthier. Can keep her like this. I'm gonna do some diagnosis later, and then still put it together and get it going for the shows for the rest of this year. All right, guys. So we did finally find out and diagnose what the major problems were. There were like 2 cylinders that weren't firing. There's 1 still left, but we're gonna figure it out eventually. We're still gonna do some test runs, but I think that's a good where. This is a good spot to stop the episode here. Thank you guys for watching. That's gonna be it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.